Ako yung nindot nga i-share mga kaigsunan sa lesson nato sa Friday. I believe if we do not receive the religion of Christ by feeding upon the Word of God, we shall not be entitled to an entrance into the city of God. Having lived on earthly food, having educated our taste to love worldly things, we would not be fitted for the heavenly courts. We would not appreciate the pure heavenly current that circulates in heaven. The voices of the angels and the music of their harps would not satisfy us. The science of heaven would be as an enigma to our minds. We need to hunger and thirst for the righteousness of Christ. We need to be molded and fashioned by the transforming influence of His grace, that we may be fitted for the society of heavenly angels. Mga kaigsunan, as Seventh-day Adventist Christians, we are very fortunate o grabe gid ka kay maka-discuss og lesson intellectually. I remember engineer na naging dyan nga maayo gid kayo sa intellectual